In this video, I will show you exactly how to adjust the playback speed of your video clips using Adobe Express. This is a fantastic way to add energy to your projects or create a dramatic slow motion effect in just a few clicks. To get started, you need to have your project open in the editor. Once your footage is on the timeline, simply click directly on the video clip within the main editor canvas or the timeline at the bottom of your screen. As soon as you select the clip, you will notice the Video Properties panel appearing on the left side of your workspace. This panel contains all the controls you need to modify your footage. Look for the speed slider, which is often represented by a small speed meter icon. This is where the magic happens. If you want to speed up your video to make it more fast-paced or to condense a long sequence, drag the slider to the right. Setting it to 150% or 200% will significantly increase the tempo. On the other hand, if you want to create a slow motion look, drag that same slider to the left. Dropping it down to 50% or even 25% will give you that smooth slow motion feel. You can preview